Hi, Jenny here. Today for lunch we are going to be making a chicken salad salsa wrap. So let's get started. For today's recipe you are going to need 1 or 2 cans of 10 ounces of chicken breast, 4 tortillas like 7 inches, 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely shredded cheddar cheese, 3 cups or so of some shredded lettuce or just some lettuce leaves, and 1/2 cup of some salsa. We are going to mix together the chicken, mayonnaise, and cheese in a bowl. So first I'm going to drain the chicken. So you can buy canned chicken like this, or you can use real chicken breast if you have any. I don't happen to have any real chicken breast made at the moment, but this makes it quick and easy. Can see me. I was too lazy to put my other lens on. So now we are going to heat up our tortillas. You can do that in the microwave if you want, or it's better, well, I think it tastes better if you heat them up on the stove. So you're going to spray your pan, turn it on medium heat, and you put your tortilla in there. You go for about a minute on each side until it's kind of brown enough. And then we will assemble them. So there you have a nice, quick and easy lunch, dinner, meal. Anyways, the recipe called for 2 cans of chicken breast. I figured it was just going to be me eating this, so I only bought the 1 can. I did try to lessen the mayonnaise that I put in here, so obviously it can be adjusted that way. And it's nice because also you can make as much as you want or need at any time. So if I'm only going to eat 1 of these, I can heat up 1 tortilla. I can put the chicken salad ingredients back in the refrigerator, and then when I'm ready to have another one tomorrow at lunch, I can heat up again another tortilla. So I like that this is a recipe that you can always have leftovers ready to go for another fast, easy meal. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat wrap sandwiches. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. I can't really eat this one upside down. My daughter always makes fun of me because I eat sandwiches upside down because I grab them and then I eat them. But this will kind of fall out. So let's see if I can get it right side up. That's tasty. Yummy.